But not all frontline healthcare workers are convinced they should have to take the COVID vaccine to protect themselves and their patients. Welcome to KOIN 6 News at 11 o'clock. I'm Wayne Haverly. At least 100 people gathered outside of Peace Health Southwest in Vancouver tonight to protest COVID-19 vaccine requirements for healthcare workers. KOIN 6's Jennifer Dowling. She is live there right now with the details and the response tonight from Peace Health. Jennifer.
Good evening, Wayne. Yeah, the protest wrapped up peacefully at 7 o'clock, and we talked to some folks who were just activists and others who said they were in the healthcare profession, and they told me they were against mandates for vaccines.
I'm here to defend all medical freedom for everybody. No matter whether you choose the vaccine or don't, it's your choice.
People line the streets around Southwest holding signs and chanting against any requirements that healthcare workers get the COVID-19 vaccine.
I'm out today to stop the vaccine. I work as a CNA and I work on the medical field for a very long time. And we don't need this vaccine.
Judiana Roberts doesn't work at Peace Health Southwest, but was one of many who were concerned that they might lose their job in general if they refuse to get the vaccine.
You cannot go ahead and take food from on our table and take food from in our kids' mouth. We are mothers, single mothers, and we work so hard.
I don't work in healthcare, but I am an activist, and we had a lot of energy this week with hundreds of healthcare workers being threatened with potentially losing their jobs. So we've decided to support them in any way that we can.
Palmer Davis said she helped to organize the event as a solidarity rally for healthcare workers everywhere.
We have to apply pressure to companies like this that are threatening to fire their employees and let them know that this isn't okay as customers, as patients, whatever the institution may be.
We also talked to a protester who said he actually had COVID.
My name's Andrew. I'm 58 years old. I had COVID from April 22nd to May 15th. The last week, it was hit and miss. I thought I wasn't going to make it. But you know what? Thank God I made it, okay? And I got antibodies. I still test positive for COVID, but I'm over it, and I'm stronger. I'm getting stronger every day.
He says despite that, he still supports this protest.
This vaccine thing is a slippery slope. It's taking our freedoms.
Saturday afternoon, Peace Health released a statement saying the rapid spread of new COVID variants and resulting rise in hospitalizations in our communities is a clear reminder that we are facing a public health emergency and we must do more to keep each other safe. After careful discernment, Peace Health, along with area health providers Legacy Health and the Vancouver Clinic, joined many health systems across the country and professional organizations and the American Nurses Association in supporting the required vaccination of all healthcare workers. With hundreds of millions of doses delivered in the U.S. and many months of real-world evidence to draw from, the vaccines have proved safe and effective. We believe it is imperative for our employees who are medically able to get a COVID-19 vaccine. And we did speak to a registered nurse who came out of Peace Health Southwest during this activist rally outside, and she told us that there were a lot of people inside who wanted the public to know that the medical professionals at Peace Health were vaccinated, and they did not agree with the sentiment out here at the rally. They said that they were in support of people getting vaccines and vaccine requirements. Live in Vancouver, Jennifer Dowling, KOIN 6 News.
Yeah, about 80% of the hospital employees have been vaccinated, according to officials there at Peace Health earlier in the week. Thank you, Jennifer.